We are learning that the Andhra actress Hema now has been arrested by the CCB. This is in connection with the Bengaluru rave party case. Also, our colleague Deepak is joining us live. He's been tracking that story for us. Deepak, what really are the charges under which she's been arrested? You know, there was a lot of buzz that possibly the agencies believe that she was the one peddling the drugs. There was also a drug test that was conducted, Deepak. So how has the story moved in so far, and what is Hema's larger role here?
Well, it was a few days ago where there was a rave party that was being held in Bengaluru. The invitees were primarily from the state of, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It was a birthday party, a rave party in the guise of a birthday. That is what the CCB said. They had a tip-off that there could be excessive usage of drugs here, and the party was going on illegally. They had registered a case. Multiple people, including actress Hema, had to undergo a blood test, and after a few days, her reports had turned up positive as well. She was issued 2 notices. She's appeared once again today, and we should note that as soon as a few rounds of questions were completed, she was taken into custody. Right now, she's even been sent for a medical test. We are yet to get details on the exact sections under which the FIR, of course, was registered under multiple sections. Right now, on what charges exactly has she been picked up? We are awaiting more details, but we could confirm from the details that are emerging from top sources in the crime branch that she has now been arrested. This could spell more trouble for the organizers and the other people involved too.
Okay, Deepak, I do realize that these are still initial times, but why don't you give us the backstory? You know, how many people were sent in notices? Because I do remember Hema herself had released a video and she said that all this is just fake news. I have nothing to do with this. She said I was chilling at a farmhouse in Hyderabad, and she clearly said that I haven't done any drugs. But if the agencies now have arrested her officially, does this mean that the agency suspects that there is more to than what meets the eye vis-a-vis the role of Hema here?
Well, the police had gone ahead and said that it was false, the information that she had put up, that she was not even at the party. In fact, she was. Then her blood sample was sent for testing. It turned out positive. Out of about 100-odd people who had attended that party, over 80 people had tested positive for the consumption of drugs. During the party, when the FIR was registered, of course, the details that had emerged suggested that MDMA pills, there was, a usage of cocaine, and apart from that, marijuana as well, that was found, in quite a bit of a quantity there. They were also trying to ascertain who are the people who are peddling in drugs into this particular venue. They were trying to, crack the larger nexus as well. Now, Hema was one of the actresses who had given her blood sample, eventually, of course, turned positive. Then many of them received notices, including this actress, 2 notices, and the second one she's appeared for and now has been picked up by the police.
Okay, and Deepak, are we expecting more details, more clarity, or perhaps an official release from the agencies? And also considering that there were a lot of more people summoned, and clearly, once you need to connect the dots about from where did this drug come in, were there more people involved, were there more people, involved in peddling these drugs, were they being sold there, readily available, and since when? When will we have answers to all those questions?
Well, this is an ongoing investigation, and when the incident happened, we immediately saw, of course, the organizers being picked up, and at that point in time, we also saw from the police some action being taken against the local police there, because, there was direction of duties, what they believed, because they allowed for this party to happen in the first place. The crime branch eventually getting a tip-off and going ahead and making these arrests and, booking a case. And over 80 people were tested positive for drugs, and, among them, of course, Hema's name stands out because she has been a popular face in Andhra Pradesh there, has, acted in several serials and commercials, is why, she prominently features in this list of people who have now faced charges. But at this point in time, it's an ongoing investigation, and we've seen periodically, of course, the police confirm details of this investigation, which has turned quite high profile after the names of Hema and a couple of other, actors and actresses did come to the fore.
Okay, and Deepak, why don't you help us understand the kind of politics also particularly that we have seen on the case? Because I do recall that there was this entire innuendo being made that there is political patronage that is being enjoyed by a lot of quote-unquote high-profile people who are allowed to party like this. There were drugs there, and the authorities decided not to, crack down on them. They were looking the other way.
Yes, we saw the BJP come out and say that this is like we've seen Udta Punjab, reference, of course, to a popular movie. The BJP started to, put out social media posts that this is Udta Karnataka, where there is a free run for people, who want to hold parties like this, who leave their state, come into Bengaluru because they feel it's a safe haven for usage of drugs and partying in such a manner. And we saw an all-out attack being launched by the BJP. We saw the Home Minister himself at that point in time counter it, saying that there is a strong stand that the Congress has been taking against the usage of drugs, peddling of drugs, and they're not going to take this lightly, and strict action would be initiated against any people who are involved. Right now, this arrest as well will probably give the Congress that extra ammunition to say, well, we are taking action against anybody who thinks that they can come here and organize an illegal party, consume illegal substances. But of course, the attack from the BJP has continued after the police registered this case too.
Okay. And Deepak, why don't you tell us more about the investigation? Where does it stand today in the entire case? Now, there is a significant arrest that the agencies have made when they've picked up Hema. But are there more people, and perhaps more high-profile people, who possibly could be arrested in the coming few days?
Well, since multiple notices have been sent out, many people, of course, are appearing based on the date that they have been given. Some of them have skipped the first notice, then the second notice was sent out, and finally, in this case, Hema has appeared. In similar fashion, some of the people here are prominent personalities. There were two other, actors as well. One is a close aide of Hema, the other another actress. Now, whether there is going to be any sort of charges that was going to be leveled against them, we'll of course be divulging those details once the police give us more clarity. But as far as organizers, we've already seen them being picked up. We saw a car as well that had a board that said MLA. The police later clarified that it was being misused. So definitely the investigation is going on in all aspects in this case.
All right, Deepak, for the moment, thank you so much for getting us that quick roundup of what we know about the story so far, and we trust you to keep us ahead. For the moment, thank you. Also,